Hello students, my name is Arannapurna and today we will going to learn else and or else. The 7th standard English. The first lesson is else and or else. First of all, we learn what is else. Else means other. In the place of word other, we can use else. We can use else after the following words. Someone else, somebody else, something else, anyone else, anybody else, anything else, no one else, nobody else, nothing else, everyone else, everybody else, everything else, somewhere else, anywhere else, now here else, everywhere else. All the above words are singular. Always use a singular verb for them. Some other person, someone else, somebody else. Some other person, instead of some other person, we write someone else or somebody else. Any other person, we write here instead of any other person, anyone else, anybody else. No other person, no one else, nobody else. Any other thing, anything else. No other thing, nothing else. Every other thing, everything else. In, at, to, some other place, somewhere else. In, at, to, any other place, anywhere else. In, at, to, no other place, now where, now here else. Let's see example. You will have to ask some other person. Right? We write here, we will have to ask someone else. Some other person, someone else, so someone else. Are you going to any other place? Are you going anywhere place? Says one. I have some other thing to show you. I have something else to show you. All other people have gone. Everybody or everyone else has gone. Right, mine. Answer. No one else, no one else had a dog like mine. Like mine. 4 number. All other people have a ration card. Everyone. Everyone has a ration card. 5 number. Ask some other person to lend it to you. Answer. Ask someone else lend it to you. 6 number. You must see some other person. You must see someone else. Someone else. 7 number. Have you any other thing to say? Have you? Answer. Have you anything else? Have you anything else to say? 8 number. May I stay at some other place? May I stay May I stay at somewhere else? Somewhere else? Question mark. 9 number. What other thing must I say? What other thing must I say? What else? What else must I say? 10 number. What other place can I go to? Where else? What other person is coming with you? What other person is coming with you? With you. 12 number. In what other way can I do it? In what other way can I do it? How else? How else can I do it? 13 number. What other person did you speak to? What? Who else did you speak to? Fourteen number. What other thing could I do? What else? What else could I? What else could I do? 15 number. Has he some other thing to tell us? Has he something else to tell us? Exercise 2. I think this is some other person's hat. Rewrite the following sentences using else. Here we use else and then we create a new sentence. I think this is some other person's, not someone else's hat. 1 number. I think this is someone else's hat. 2 number. Was any other person's umbrella lost? Was anyone else's umbrella lost? Was anyone else's umbrella lost? Question mark. 3. No other person's luggage was opened. Nobody else's luggage was opened. Nobody else's. Nobody else's luggage was opened. Phone number. She was living in some other person's house. She was living in someone else's house. She was living in someone else's house. Five number. It is not any other person's fault. It is not anyone else's fault. It is not anyone else's. It is not anyone else's fault. Six number. Is not it some other person's duty? Is not it anyone else's duty? Is not it anyone else's duty? Seven number. What other person's duty was it? Answer. Seven number. What other person's duty was it? Who else's duty was it? Who else's duty was it? Question mark. 8 number. No other person's work was appreciated. Nobody else's work was appreciated. Nobody else's work was appreciated. Nobody else's help. 10 number. You can take some other person's seat. You can take someone else's seat. You can take someone else's seat.